A few moments ago, I got an email notification, as I always do, on Reddit saying, failed my PMP exam ATBTNI. Whoever this is, I am really sorry to read that you went through this ordeal in getting certified. This is Ma Almita. I have got a solution for you, my friend. I know you've already done a lot of work, as you said, on Udemy. You've done flashcards, you've done mock exams, and all that stuff. I would not blame any of the institutions you did training with. I will just put this up to not having a robust enough experience in your preparation. I will not blame it on the mock exams because there are people who went through the same material. What I would say is that your approach needs to be different next time. So let's not make this a blame game. Let's make this a game of success. What I want you to do is follow me to the link projectmanagementdoctor.com/stamp out. I need you to do this to get better because you got above target in people, which means you did well in people. That may be your strong suit, but below target in process and needs improvement in business. And I want to recommend you do this. So follow me to the page, projectmanagementdoctor.com/stamp out. When you get to this page, I need you to download this link right here. Over here, I have a zip file. I'm going to open that zip file. I have a zip file that contains an Excel document for you to perfect your act on the next go round. So this is what it's going to download. Just double click. It will open up the Excel file, and I'm going to explain to you what to do next. What I need you to do when you have loaded it is as follows. Go to My Exam, and I want you to fill out the detailed report that the PMI gives you. So if your detailed report, for example, is like this, task 1, that's below, that's in the middle, and that's good, not good, good, and let's go back over here so I can explain it. So if you take a look over here, you can see task 2, this is below, this is poor performance, right? All the way to the left. You may as well make those red, right? Because those are all bad. Anything in this first column is below target, right? Or I should say poor. Anything in the middle is just average, and anything to the right is telling you you did well in that, okay? So you got 3 columns. The first is bad, the second is in the middle, and the third is good. What I need you to do for every single task, because what you can see here, you have task 1, manage conflict, right? This is manage conflict. Let's make it bigger. So you can see manage conflict. I need you to go to your report and to fill it in like this. And I'm just going to do this randomly. So let's say these were good. This is in the middle. These were bad. This is in the middle. And then I need you to just select a color. Let's color this one color. Let's make it blue. So if this was your exam report, the things that are below, I need you to hone in on those. And I have them here. Manage conflict. Go to the right. Understand which process that likely is. So you can see this is manage team. And then the chapters that I recommend in the Agile Practice Guide right there, study up and take notes. Now, what do I mean by study up? Well, by study up, I mean go on down to my free videos on YouTube at pmp.pmradio.org. When you go to pmp.pmradio.org, hone in on those that you're weak in. So it shows you're weak in task 1, task 8, task 9, 10, for example, in people, right? And then you do the same for process. So let me go to the example here. For process, you can see, oh, we got a lot of bad ones. These are the ones you need to check out, like check out, okay, which task is that? It's task 3. It's assess and manage risk. Close the gaps. Go to the next one. Close the gaps. Do that for all the domains and all the tasks. And again, like I'm recommending, spend some time, let's bring this up, spend some time going through the videos that I have at pmp.pmradio.org. That's pmp.pmradio.org. I'm going to show you what that looks like. pmp.pmradio.org is going to take you over here. Okay. It's going to take you here. When you get here, just go through the days as listed. And each day maps back to one of the tasks. So if you're weak in people, task 1, watch the video. If you're weak in process, task 5, look for process. Where's process? So this is still people. And you got to keep scrolling down until you get to the right place. And this is a process domain. And process task 5. That's task 4. That's task 7. So that's going to be day 19, right? Day 19. That is cost and resources, for example. So I would expect you to click the video. It's all there on YouTube. It's all been done for you. Actually, it's all been done for you. All you need to do is follow along. Close the gaps meticulously. Okay? When you have closed the gaps, you will find it easier to absorb these questions. You can see this is a 25-minute video. You don't even get 25 minutes of training in any task on most PMP courses. It's usually a 10 or 15 minutes, but some of these we're going in pretty deep. I encourage you to watch the videos. Close your gaps. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Yes, it's free, but this can change the game for you. This does not have to be the case. If you follow the method, follow the process, do the homework, because each day I give you homework, right? So there is homework here. There are some open-ended questions. There are also example questions in the videos, right? You can see these are questions. If you go through them, these will help you. And then I also have some open-ended questions which I give you every day to complete. If you go through the open-ended questions, like here, and see this, let's make it big. You can see the open-ended questions. If you mentally go through these 40 questions, I know it looks like, why should I do this? Do it because it will assure you you truly know your stuff. Nothing will catch you by surprise if you follow my system day by day. Okay? To help you further with the system, if you need, you can look for the PMP exam immersion, and you can just start studying afresh, have a fresh coat of paint. These things will greatly help you. All right? So again, sorry to hear about this, but just look at this as a setup for your comeback, and you'll be laughing all the way to the scoreback. All the best on your next attempt. Bye for now.